Hindi rason yung pagiging nanay para maging losyang ka, self-care. Kailangan
Alright, so I'm with Miss Isa. Miss Isa, sekreto naman dyan. Know how to be a happy and hard-working ma'am.
Yes, I have 3 tips for you. Una, self-care. Kailangan mong alagaan yung sarili mo. Hindi rason yung pagiging nanay para maging losyang ka. You need to enhance yourself. You need to stand out. And then yung pangalawa, time management. You have to manage your time between your job and your family. Kasi yung source of happiness ko is yung family ko, and then yung anak ko, and then yung source of income ko is yung job ko. That's why you need to manage your time. Yung pangatlo, be patient and respect. You need to respect first yourself para respetuhin ka din ng iba, and then you need to be patient kasi walang shortcut sa success. Yun po yan.